Today we're talking about serenity. Serenity that arises then as an automatic consequence of understanding and comprehension. Yeah? It's affirmative, simplistic, non-operative, and people, it's invitational, no promotion. It's non-predictive because reality is non-linear. You cannot tell what the secret is now. Why would that be? Why is it you can't tell the future? There'd be no point to existence, human existence. Why? Because the future then is created by every choice and every option you make, is it not? Every choice and option determines where you are within the overall infinite field. Because the future hasn't happened yet, it has no reality. And you can't calibrate the level of anything that is not a reality, is a fiction. So there's fictional propositions about the future. But the future, obviously, is not a possibility, or there would be no point to creation, no point to divinity or existence, much less human life. Yeah? You understand what I'm saying? It's only because you have an option, you could choose this or that. Well, if the outcome was determined, there'd be no point to human life, would there? You'd all be in some other realm where you're done already. And if you blew it forever. If you blew it, boy, you blew it. Okay. It's not sentimental. We said, the value of being empathic. I know what it is to walk in my brother's moccasins. That's empathy. That's coming from the heart of humanity within you. Your heart understands where their heart is, so I understand how they feel.